Hello, this is the Flip Classroom assignment by Josiah O'Keefe Lopez. I'll be focusing on third through fifth grade special education. At this point of our lesson plan, we would be transitioning into multiplication from double digit addition, maybe triple digit addition and subtraction. I will be demonstrating the commutative property, which is 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2, for an example. The first thing I would like for my students to watch at home on this lesson would be grouping. So in this group, there's different rows and different columns. I'll just show them, first of all, what grouping is. In the next slide, for apples, right? So I would have the students look at the apples. Um, this is that we have 3 rows of apples and 4 columns, right? So now we would look at the dump truck. We have 3 rows of dump trucks and 4 columns, okay? Then I would introduce arrays. What is an array? It is a set that shows equal groups in rows and columns. So we're looking at equal groups, right? Like I said earlier, the rows are going from left to right. The columns are going up and down. So I've provided a lot of examples for my students to look at home and get familiar with. So let's look at where it says examples, the pink dots. You can express this or write an equation as 3 plus 3 equals 6, or 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6, or 3 times 2 equals 6, right? Or 2 times 3 equals 6. So the students could go ahead and get familiar with this and practice all these examples at home. I would explain to them that tomorrow when they come to class, I want them to be prepared to walk into the classroom, get into groups of 3 or 4, and create an anchor chart of these groupings and arrays. During this time, I'd walk around and observe the students, observe the groups, listen for communication and any input, and I would be able to get a better understanding of who has done and listened to the lesson at home and came to class prepared.